The Vivo iQOO 11 was unveiled during their launch event, providing users with performance through cutting-edge technologies and professional photographic experiences combined in a classic exterior designed as well as partnering with BMW M Motorsport. Now it has been launched in certain Asian countries too. Let's have a look at the unboxing iQOO 11 video. The iQOO 11 comes in a pretty typical iQOO box with diagonally cut lid sides with a BMW M Motorsport logo on the front. Then we got the phone. Let's check it out for overview. At the front, it has a great 6.78 inches AMOLED display. The phone is framed by a slim curved aluminium strip, and here you'll find the usual volume rocker, power button, SIM tray, USB-C port and stereo speakers. This matte green version has a beautiful vegan leather back panel brandished without BMW's signature racing stripes which were found in flashier white version. It has rectangular rear camera module equipped with 3 cameras, 50 megapixels main camera, 13 megapixels telephoto lens and 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens. The phone comes in 3 color variants, black, white with BMW Motorsport branding, and green. The Chinese version runs on Origin OS 3. You get a BMW card as well. The accessories include a soft silicone case. More importantly, you get a charger with a USB Type-C cable that can deliver 120 watts of power to the iQOO 11's 5000 mAh battery, and it can be fully charged in 25 minutes as mentioned in promotional video. The screen of the iQOO 11 is excellent, it's very high resolution and can attain an impressive overall brightness of up to 1100 nits. It's fast, too, allowing refresh rates up to 144 Hz. This is not only ideal for games, but makes the navigation in the UI incredibly smooth. It's a flat display, which we tend to prefer, and has thin bezels on each side. There's a central punch hole for the selfie camera, and it's fairly small. Moving on to the rear cameras, and it's more good news. iQOO has developed a system that works extremely well. As usual, the main camera is the highlight of the show, offering the best resolution, stabilization and autofocus. But the extra cameras are all fully useful, which is not always the case. Perhaps unsurprisingly, when it comes to performance, the iQOO 11 is an absolute monster which is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and adopted with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The phone also comes with the Vivo V2 chipset wrapped with upgraded hardware for enhanced photography and performance. With all those, it smashes to the top of the benchmark charts in almost every scenario. Overall, the iQOO 11 is a superb phone on all fronts. It has incredible power, battery life, stylish design and awesome cameras. Moreover, biometric authentication is handled by an in-display fingerprint sensor, as you'd expect. There is also a set of game controls which appear when you open a game. It lets you adjust the performance settings, block notifications or calls, and also comes with screen recording tools to capture your best games. The problem is its availability. Unless you live in one of the rare markets in which iQOO is launched, you will have a difficult time getting your hands on one. Thank you for watching my new phone unboxing video. If you enjoyed the review of the smartphone's features and want to see more content like this in the future, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and other social media platforms for updates on my latest videos and content. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know your thoughts on the phone. Thanks again for your support.